Hey, who are you hanging with? Whee! Hey, stop that. Because who we hang with is really important. Whee! Hey, stop that. Because we actually become a little bit like our friends. Whee! Stop that. Who are you hanging with? Tree frog. Ribbit.
Where was I? Oh yeah, at the beach. I just had this feeling something amazing was about to happen. And so I began to collect the ingredients. Seaweed from Papua New Guinea, fresh fruits, the wobbly snail from Ecuador. I cooked for days, even securing the rarest ingredient of all. Wow, I found the polar bear egg! And so here it is, the hottest sauce ever made. It's already cracked its bottle twice.
Oh, that run was exhausting. I'm so tired. Oh, I need a drink. That'll do.
No, wait! One drop at a time!
What? Lovely.
If you want to get out your box, do what Viv says. Listen, do some sound advice.
Water.
Come in. Go on, Viv, sink it.
Oh no. See what you've done, Kevin?
Thanks for watching our show.
Remember, you're amazing and you can do amazing things.
See you next show.
Ah, a new recruit. Have you subscribed to our channel? Come on, join the family. Enlist. Sign up. Come on. Plenty more podcasts where these came from. We know a lot of bad jokes. Come on, get to it. I'm going for my fish and chips anyway.